Yeah.
Have you fathomed the fact कि यार 15 साल हो गए?
Doesn't feel like it. जब
No.
तक आप याद नहीं दिलाते तब तक पता है लगता ही नहीं है कुछ
Wow, very
ऐसा
cute.
कुछ हुआ
Very
है.
cutely she's put it.
Like what my filmography was
Yeah.
at that
Yeah.
period of time.
Yeah.
So everybody advised against it, and I was like, you know what? Now just because you think I can't do it, I will do it.
Ooh, nice.
मुझे कुछ नहीं पता होता कि क्या चीज फ्यूचर में कैसे जाएगी.
जी.
मुझे होता है कि प्रेजेंट में आप शिद्दत से काम करो. Like do your part well.
All the very best for
Thank
Nikita
you so
Roy.
much.
27th October is when it releases in theaters. 20th October. Why have I said October? What happened? I have fast forwarded. Yeah, just take the mic.
27 June, guys. Nikita
27
releases
June,
in
not
theaters
July.
near you. Please go and watch it, and do not listen to this.
Yes, do not listen to me. Hey guys, my name is Shravan Shah, and today I'm going to be having a conversation with the cast and producer of Nikita Roy. What's up? How are you guys doing?
Fantastic!
See
Wow,
about the
I've
energy,
woken up
Sonakshi.
suddenly. I'm like,
Did I wake you up?
You scared me.
Oh wow!
It's a great
Loves it.
interview for the start of a thriller, supernatural
Hai na?
thriller film. Yeah.
So when it is, this is one of the very firsts you're doing, no? Like a supernatural-ish
Yes.
vibe.
Yeah.
Now when you shoot a film like this, okay, of course on the script it's written that this is going to happen and all of that, right? But when you are on a set and when that really spooky things start happening, are you somebody who gets scared or are you somebody like, this is okay?
I'm somebody who doesn't even watch horror films. That's how wary I am of them, and I get that scared. But acting in a horror film or like a thriller film is a different ballgame altogether. Because you're with the whole unit, sab saath mein hote hain, and like it's a nice environment that you're shooting in. So it's not that bad. But of course, the moments that you're creating have to be, spooky. You have to get the audience, and creating those is actually a lot of fun.
Yeah.
So, like when you're on the other side of it, it's fun. But when you're watching it,
it's
might
clearly
not be.
not fun.
Might not be.
Perfect.
For a scaredy cat like me, at least.
So, well, coming to you, today when, when scripts come your way, okay, are you getting the kind of scripts that you finally wanted to be a part of? Or do you still have to audition for them?
यार ये तो कभी भी नहीं होता.
कभी नहीं होता.
नहीं, because you never quite get what you really want. Because आपका भी कुछ, it depends कि what are you going through at that point, that particular time and frame.
Yeah.
What kind of roles that you are looking for. But I have been lucky कि मुझे ऐसे auditions भी मिलते हैं और ऐसी scripts भी मिलती हैं जो which help me reinvent myself with my character. So I have been really lucky. बाकियों का पता नहीं.
Yeah.
क्योंकि आसान तो नहीं है.
Makes sense. Vicky, coming to you, when you, as a producer, today, there is a lot of conversations about your industry evolve ho gayi hai, ye, wo, all of that. And people want to go to the big cinema hall when, there are big action, scenes happening on the screen. When you decide to produce a film, what are the parameters you look at? Ke yaar, first of all, have genuinely sensibilities, have sensibilities of audiences really changed? Has that really happened?
So, of course, it has changed, but they always want a good film. And of course, it matters on how do you present it. So, no matter what the time will be, if you have a good film, they will come to watch it.
And what are the parameters that you look for in a film? Ke yaar, ye to hona chahiye, ye hona chahiye, ye hona chahiye.
Of course, a good cast, good storyline, and a good team to work with.
Makes sense. Coming back to you, ma'am, to the similar question that I asked him, what happens in the industry that you're a part of is that when you nail a character, okay, of course everybody praises you for it, but it's like a boon and a curse, because after that all you're going to get is similar kind of roles. Has that ever happened with you that you got boxed? Like, did it happen with you after Dabangg especially?
Yeah, there was a particular period of time where I was doing similar kind of roles. But honestly, I didn't mind it because those roles and those films set me up for a future that I'm loving right now. I'm able to do the kind of films that I want to do.
Yeah.
A lot more characters are coming my way. I'm able to shoulder a film, by myself as well. So I think it's a great position to be in. But it's like any job you take up, right? You have to start low and then
yeah, you have to climb up the ladder.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
of course. So I think that's exactly what's happened with me, and I'm in a very happy space right now.
Yeah.
With the kind of work that I'm doing, with the kind of work that I'm getting, the kind of the way directors are visualizing me in such different and varied characters.
Yeah.
Like if you see my last few things that I've done, they've all been like
Absolutely.
ऐसे north, south, east, west. Nothing's been similar to what I had done before.
Yeah.
So it's great. I think it's a nice place to be in.
Yeah. You spoke about shouldering a film.
Mm.
What are the kind of pressures that come with that?
There is a lot of pressure because honestly, like if it's a hit, then it's everybody's hit. But when it's a flop, then it's your flop. That is the biggest sort of pressure. But honestly, I've not taken that pressure. For me, like Vicky said, it's very important to work with a good team, to be a part of a good film, to play a good role. For me, the whole experience is what really matters the most. Once, because my job is to act.
Yeah.
That's all
All you
there
have
is
to
to
do,
it. But
yeah.
of course, along with that also comes the added pressures and stuff. But I concentrate only on what my job is.
Yeah.
Now, the fate of the film, what is to happen later, how the audience receives it, is not in my hands at all.
Absolutely.
So that is not something I worry about.
Mhm.
For me, I had a great experience shooting the film, and I worked with a lovely team. That's all.
That's what matters to
Yeah.
me. Makes sense. Sohail, coming to you, you are one of those actors in the recent times जिनको फर्क नहीं पड़ता अपनी स्क्रीन टाइम के बारे में as long as the role has substance to it. Okay. When you talk about your league of actors now, what are the to-do points that you all have कि यार ये पक्का करना है, but ये for sure नहीं करना.
Shravan, to be honest, there's nothing like that. Like कि कुछ ऐसा नहीं है जो नहीं करना. Because cinema is reinventing itself, OTT space is reinventing itself, and people are reinventing themselves. So
Yeah.
you never know what works. And I am a very instinctive guy. If I feel कि हाँ इसमें मजा आएगा, so I go with it.
Yeah.
Rest, like what Sonakshi said, कि आगे का कुछ नहीं पता. कि मुझे शूट करते टाइम बहुत मजा आया, मैंने बहुत अच्छे दोस्त बनाए, मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा. That's more important for me because the journey is more important क्योंकि destination तो हर साल change हो जाती
That
है.
is true. That is true. What are the things that you probably learned on this film?
इस फिल्म में मैंने एक्चुअली जो बहुत क्रिस्प और बहुत टाइट फिल्म है, और मैंने बहुत सारे सीरियस सिचुएशंस में अपनी जो इम्प्रोवाइजेशन है उनको कंट्रोल करना सीखा कि यहाँ पे नहीं कुछ बोलता हूँ क्योंकि थोड़ा हॉरर माहौल है. सो आई लर्न टेकिंग डायरेक्शंस इन दैट वे कि थोड़ा अगर खुद को बांध के देखूं तो कैसा होता है, लाइक हाउ डू आई रिएक्ट, हाउ डज माय कैरेक्टर रिएक्ट. सो that's something that I learned on this film.
Which makes sense. Coming to you, because he spoke about OTT. Initially क्या होता था, all of us knew that the only two places we could watch films probably was television and cinema halls. After OTTs come in, now people also have this mentality, yaar, eventually this film is going to come on OTT, right? What kind of pressures are producers feeling today that, yaar, we have to make sure that we get that audience to the cinema hall first, then, to the OTT space?
So it'll be always the way you project a film also.
Yeah.
And that's why we are not promoting it. It's coming on OTT. It's coming in theaters worldwide. And it's of course the product, how you get it out, that matters.
Yeah.
Like you can see our visuals, our trailers and all. It has to have some X factor.
Yeah.
That what matters. And we have been fortunate to work with Sonakshi and Sohail and Paresh sir also as well, who are the finest actors of the countries.
Yeah.
So you'll see that in theaters on 27 June.
Perfect. Yeah. Coming back to you, ma'am. We've completed 15 years in the industry now.
Yeah, almost.
Have we?
September में.
है ना?
Yeah.
Have we fathomed the fact कि यार 15 साल हो गए?
Doesn't feel like it. जब तक
No.
आप याद नहीं दिलाते तब तक पता है, लगता ही नहीं है कुछ.
Wow, very
ऐसा
cute.
कुछ हुआ है.
Very cutely she's put it. But today, let's say if you open your DMs,
Yeah.
okay, what are the top 3 DMs or top 3 roles of films that people talk about to you? Okay, yaar, you were so good in this.
Lutera,
Huh?
Dahad, and The Bung actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, Lutera, because you mentioned it,
Yeah.
I remember watching that film in the theater, and I was like, dude, like that last scene, I have cried. I'm like, oh my god.
Yeah, it
But
makes me cry. Even
today-
when I rewatch the film, I always cry.
today, when you look in the hindsight, don't you feel that that film was actually very ahead of its time?
It was. I feel it definitely was. But and everybody like who was around me at that point of time told me not to do the film
Why?
because I was very new and I was doing all those commercial pot boilers at that point of time. So it was a very different film from like what my filmography was
Yeah.
at that
Yeah.
period of time.
Yeah.
So everybody advised against it, and I was like, you know what? Now just because you think I can't do it, I will do it. And I
Ooh,
did it.
nice. But
Yeah.
it's such a high, right, for an actor that when somebody tells you don't do something,
Hmm.
and do people today die for a project like a Lutera in their kitty, and imagine it came to
It's
you.
a once in a lifetime thing. Nothing like that has ever come to me after that.
है ना?
Yeah, it was just magical. ऐसा मतलब ऐसा बन ही नहीं सकता वापस. And honestly, like हर फिल्म की अपनी अपनी किस्मत होती है, and that might not have done as well at the box office at that point in time, but
Yeah.
the love that it gets till today,
Yeah.
like anybody who meets me for the first time always talks about
But you
that
were
film.
so good in
Thank you,
Lutera, bro.
thank
You were
you.
so good in Lutera, and I think everything about that film,
Mhm.
it's like that the more time you give it, the more it's like wine, you know, it ages well. I think Lutera is one of those projects
Thank
that
you
it has
so much.
really aged well.
Thank you.
To you know what she said, that ऐसे projects बहुत कम आते हैं एक artist के life में कि they will never come back. Do you think, and you have to be honest, do you think you've got a project like that?
Yeah. Hotel Mumbai
Yeah.
and Udta Punjab.
Abso.
Like, and even Sharma Ji Namkeen,
Yeah.
क्योंकि वो अब इतना स्पेशल प्रोजेक्ट बन चुका
बहुत
है.
बहुत ही ज्यादा. But with Udta, did you know that यार ये फटेगा?
नहीं, मुझे कभी नहीं पता होता श्रवण.
See it coming.
मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा था जब मैं बोल रहा था, मैं सोचता नहीं इस बारे में. मुझे कुछ नहीं पता होता कि क्या चीज फ्यूचर में कैसे जाएगी.
जी.
मुझे होता कि प्रेजेंट में आप शिद्दत से काम करो, लाइक डू योर पार्ट वेल. कि मतलब वो होता ना कि मैं एक बात बहुत ज्यादा बोलता हूँ कि इसी के तो पैसे हैं.
हाँ.
कि इट शुड लाइक आप पे जो पैसे लगे हैं वो आप दिखाओ अपनी परफॉर्मेंस से कि हाँ यार ये वर्थ थी.
Vicky, you know there is so much chatter that keeps happening, right? That यार ये फिल्म अच्छा करेगी नहीं करेगी, ठीक है? And considering all of y'all are so involved with the project from the start that after a while you lose a perspective. You don't know कि यार what is going to happen with this. But probably a week before the release, when you are all by yourself, do you somewhere know कि the fate of this film?
No one knows the fate of anything.
Ever?
You can't
No?
say from the last
No.
minute.
It's only faith what drives you through.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You can never tell. Look at how very cutely he said what he had to say. But नहीं समझता है क्या?
बिल्कुल नहीं.
When was that, or what was that project for you that you probably thought यार पता नहीं क्या होगा, और फिर फट गई और ऐसी फटी कि you were like damn.
मुझे तो मेरी पहली फिल्म से ऐसे लग रहा है, मतलब क्या हो रहा है, what am I doing with my life, and like
Yeah.
क्या होगा and all, and then Dabang happened, and then there was just no looking back. But I can till today never tell what is going to be the fate of the film.
You can never.
Can never.
Wow.
Yeah.
But today that you've done so much, and you know your work speaks for itself. What does Sonakshi Sinha crave for?
What do I crave for? Peace, happiness, and love. That's
Yeah?
it. Yeah.
Dude, I love the videos that you and Zahid
Thank
post.
you.
Like the kind of, I'm like, bro, he's really taking her case. Like there's this one video that you know Zahid's posted where she's literally sleeping on his shoulder, and dude, he moves, and I can tell you from Sonakshi's reaction, she wanted to slap him. I'm like, this is the kind of romance.
वो हमारा चलता रहता है.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
you
it's
guys
fun,
are-
na? That's what keeps life
बहुत cute है ये.
happy and exciting and fun.
Yeah. In terms of films, what is the genre that you want to tap into? Not that probably you think you've not tapped into.
You know, I really want to do another period film. I really enjoyed Lutera. I really enjoyed Hira Mandi,
Yeah.
which took us back in time. And I feel when I get into that character, मैं बन जाती हूँ पिछले ज़माने की. So
Yeah.
yeah, I just feel I have
It
a
just
look
comes very
suited
yeah.
for,
It just comes very
for,
naturally to you.
you know,
Yesteryears.
A time that's gone by. So I would love to do a period film again.
Yeah.
I've never done a biopic.
Guys, what are you doing?
On somebody very interesting.
Sirs
I
and
would-
ma'ams, what are you all doing?
Yeah, I would love to do a biopic.
Do we have a list of people who want to we think you should do a biopic on?
Not as such. I mean, I've not really sat down and
Given it a
about
thought
it,
about it.
but it's something that I would like to do. And any
Ah,
interesting story. There's so many people with so many amazing stories to tell,
Yeah.
and you know, I think I would love to do that.
Perfect. The last one coming your way, guys. 3 things. यहाँ से start करते हैं.
Oh.
3 things, and 3 adjectives rather that you want to describe Nikita Roy in.
Thrilling,
Okay.
exciting,
Abso.
kind of the same, but okay.
It's,
You
it's
asked
a
for 3
vibe
words.
though.
Yeah.
Yeah, it goes with
Yeah.
it. And
And
shocking. Will it shock me?
kind of, yeah.
Yeah,
Shocking.
shocking. Now Sohail is like
My
"Wow,
answer also the
I
same,
don't
nothing
have
different.
words." Yes. What are the 3
Gritty.
words? Okay.
Yes,
Thriller हो गया.
हाँ,
Thrilling हो गया.
हाँ. You can repeat it also.
I want to say like funny in parts because my character does
bring that.
like he does certain things
Uh-huh.
with this because he's like I'm playing this content creator based out of UK.
Wow, content
So-
creators love it.
He does those things, eh?
Yeah, oh, he does,
So
eh?
yeah,
Nice.
so yeah, or tight. I would like to say like it's very fast. Like it's
Yeah, it's crisp.
But
It's
which
very
is
crisp,
great.
yeah.
I think with cinema, it's also like while it's a lot about direction and all of
Hmm.
it. I think eventually it is also about what you chop off on the table.
yeah.
So if it's done well, I think that's
Yeah.
where the grip comes.
True.
Perfect, sir. 3 words.
Edge on the seat,
Okay.
unpredictable,
Okay.
and great performances.
Ooh, look at how he's summed everything
Yeah,
up.
yeah,
All the
man.
way best. Thanks, yo. All the very best for Nikita Roy. 27th October is when it releases in theaters. 20th October. Why have I said October? What happened? I have fast forwarded. I have fast forwarded 3 months, 4 months from now. 24, 27.
It can happen by
Yeah,
June.
just take the mic.
27th June, guys. Nikita
27th
Roy
June,
releases in
not
theaters
July.
near you. Please go and watch it, and do not listen to this.
Yes, do not listen to me. Thank you so much, guys. All the very best. All I wish luck to all three of you all. The kind of cinema that you guys have been associated with. We really love you all. On the big screen. So please coming back all the damn time and keep surprising us. I'm gonna see you guys super soon. Till then, this one is a wrap. 27th June, guys.
Yay! Finally
I got it. Thank you so much, yo.
Thanks.